Alrighty everybody, we're gonna do an oil change today on my 2010 Cadillac CTS. This will apply to your 2003 to your 2019 models. Go ahead and do our oil change. I already have her jacked up and on some jack stands. Alright, got her jacked up over here. Used a 2-ton jack, get the job done. Alright, required for my 2010 Cadillac CTS 5W30. I always use Mobil 1. It's best for your Cadillac. And this is the filter we will be using. Our Mobil 1 Extended Performance M1C254A oil filter. I always use this on my car. It's what's recommended, so therefore I follow the recommendations. As you can see, it even tells you right here, your Mobil 1 SAE 5W30. That's the oil we will be using. Go ahead and check our dipstick real quick, show y'all how our oil looks. It's our dipstick down here. Wipe it off. Oh yeah, she dirty. Alright you guys, back to what I was saying. Need a 15/16 or a 24mm, a 5/8 or a 15mm, your extension, your ratchet, and possibly a pair of pliers for when you change the band on your filter. Let's go ahead and loosen up the filter. Actually. Oh yeah, nice and loose. Don't want to take it out, so still gotta drain, but it'll help the flow be a little smooth. So let's go ahead and next drain that plug. I just have a half-cut bucket for myself to use while I do this. That's what I would do. That's what I do, not what I would do. That's what I do. Try to give you all the best angle here. This is going to be our plug that we're going to drain. 15mm or a 5/8. Alright guys, looks like we're basically done. Let's go ahead and seal her up. Nice and snug. Doesn't look like we're leaking. We're flushed. Alright you guys, this cover is gonna have to come off. It's kind of in our way a little bit. Just boop. Oh wow, it wasn't even in its home. And boom, there's our filter that needs to be replaced. And then you don't have to, but you can use a pair of pliers to pop this off, which I might do because my hand's a little slippery. So just do. And that is what the pliers are for. Sorry, y'all. I got the oil out. Best that I can, to the best of my ability. And then this is just trash. And then if you come over here, same for over here. This is just me personally. They're not gonna do this over at like wherever you take your car to get your oil change. But me personally, I like to soak up all that bad ugliness because it's ugly. You don't want that going on your brand new filter you're about to put in there. Now we're going to replace our filter with a M1C 254A Mobile 1 filter and our band. Prior to placing the band, you want to put some oil around the ring and the band, then slide it into the groove. Make sure it's in there. If not, it will leak if it's not lined up properly. Then you can stick the filter either in the housing or on the cap and twist it clockwise. Next, go ahead and fill her up. Requires 6 quarts. My personal opinion, financially, I think it's best to purchase 2 5 quarts at a time. The more you buy, the more you save. Go ahead and take a gander at your undercarriage. Make sure she's not leaking down there. Drain bolt's good. And drop her down. Alright, you guys. Got the keys. Now this applies to all your 2008 to 2014 Cadillac CTS models. It's how you change your oil life. I'm clicking over here in the middle. I'm gonna click the middle button. Alright. Trip B, this is where I keep my gas. Trip A is my oil. See, I've gone 5,433.8 miles since my last oil change. I'm gonna go ahead and hold this check mark in the bottom right corner. Reset that. Alright, next, info, car info, top right. Click oil life remaining, 0%. We're gonna go ahead, same thing, hold this arrow down. %.